Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Bluestacks into your Windows. Bluestacks, this is an app player, a high-rated Android emulator. So if you want to download Bluestacks, then let's go quick into the process, and this is just for free. So all you have to do is open a browser. Now let's go in the Windows search bar and type Edge to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now maximize this. Here in the search bar, you just need to simply type BlueStacks download, hit enter, and you'll find this option from www.bluestacks.com. Click on that. So it's from www.bluestacks.com, which is the official website. And here you'll find download BlueStacks. So you can also see all versions in here. But anyway, we are going to download the latest version, which is BlueStacks 5. You have here BlueStacks 5. Click on download BlueStacks. And the setup file will be downloaded. Now click on that once, and then we have to close the browser. Again, click on that. And then we have to close the browser. Then you'll find this install now button. You can also change the destination path for this. Just simply click on the change button. But I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click on install now. Click on I agree to continue. And we're just going to wait for this. Okay? Now this is checking for the system requirements, and after this will be already installed into our Windows. So let's just wait in a while. And as you can see, we have already the BlueStacks shortcut on our desktop. This is now finishing the post-installation steps. And in a while, we are going to have BlueStacks into our Windows. Now let's search BlueStacks. BlueStacks 5, the latest version. Click on that. And now this is starting the application. So here you can simply download and install any of applications that you want to download in here. Then you can also play games in here in the BlueStacks app player. So once you have installed that, then you can simply enjoy its features. Anyway, I've shown you on how you can download and install BlueStacks, and that's just for free. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.